Hello, welcome everyone. I am Folorunsho Olutayo Oyebisi. Today we'll be running through perfume production, just a brief introduction into making of perfume. You know, if you are a newbie here, kindly subscribe to this channel. You're welcome on board. If you have been subscribed to this channel long before now, thank you for coming along with me. Today we'll be talking about just the mixing of this perfume together. You know, there are so many things to talk about perfume: the top notes, the base notes, middle notes, stuff like that. But today we are not going into such details. We'll be talking about just a simple way to mix this perfume. Now, this is Cool Breeze, and I'm sorry, no name on this, but the name of this particular fragrance is King's. So I'll be mixing in my King's perfume. I'm trying to make an 100 ml here, so I'll be mixing in my King's perfume, which will be 40 ml. Done. Thereafter, I'll be mixing in my Cool Breeze, 30 ml. Done. And I'll be adding in my alcohol. Don't forget, in some of my videos I've explained that alcohol could be methanol, it could be ethanol, and it could be isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is the most expensive, so you could either go for your ethanol or your methanol. Now, I have added in the two fragrances that I used as my choice fragrance, and I added my methanol. My choice here is methanol. Many of us may decide to use methanol because it's cheaper, but I must warn you that methanol is not 100% body friendly. Ethanol is a lot more better, but it's more expensive than methanol. This simple, don't mind my glycerin on it. I used this container to measure glycerin sometimes ago. This recipe is for those of us that just wants to make a fast one on a body spray. This seems more of a body spray. However, if you want it to be called a body spray, then we have to probably increase the alcohol we have added. But for now, it can still pass as a perfume and body spray for some others. Why did I say so? Some people want their fragrance to be very concentrated. So what we have added here, we have used a 40, 30, 20% ratio. So that means that our King's was 40%, our Cool Breeze was 30%, and our alcohol was 20%. We can change the formulation vice versa. And please note that you can use any perfume of your choice. There are several kinds of perfume. I'm hoping that some of the students in the academy that have done something relating to perfume will understand this better. If you have any question, or you probably want me to make more videos as relating to perfume, please comment on the comment section below. Thank you and happy viewing. Bye.